With 17 new cases of COVID-19 reported in Manipur in the past 24 hours, the total tally has soared to 507 this morning. Of this, 356 are active cases. According to an official report, 151 patients have recovered from the disease in the state, however, no fatalities so far. Nagaland registered 2 new COVID-19 positive cases today. This was informed by the State Health Minister S. Pangnyuform on social media this morning. With these 2 new cases, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state went up to 179. 92 persons have already recovered from the deadly coronavirus. The state has not recorded any COVID-19 related deaths so far, a report said. 89 stranded Manipuris who left Bangalore in a train for Manipur on June 12th reached Guwahati railway station last afternoon. However, the returnees are now stuck at Guwahati railway station after the authorities concerned failed to make necessary arrangement for transporting them to Manipur, a report said. MV Abdur Rahman, one of the returnees at Guwahati railway station, appealed to the Manipur government to make necessary arrangement so that they can reach home soon. India has recorded a spike of 10,667 new coronavirus cases in the past 24 hours. According to the latest Health Ministry data, the coronavirus death toll has gone up by 380 in India yesterday. As per reports, the total number of coronavirus cases in India has now reached 3,43,091, while the death toll has gone up to 9,900. With 3.43 lakh coronavirus cases, India is now ranked 4th in the world with the highest COVID numbers after the United States, Brazil and Russia. Manipur Health and Family Welfare Minister Jayantakumar today handed over 2 ambulances to the State Medical Directorate. On the occasion, Jayantakumar informed that the 235-bedded COVID care facility at UNACO School will soon be upgraded to a 300-bedded center. He said that there are 75 patients at the facility. He also mentioned that new machines, which can test more than 1,000 samples of virus daily, will be arriving at Imphal soon. The faculty, staff and students of Dhanamandri Community College at DM University, Imphal have deeply condoled the sudden and untimely demise of T.H. Oliver, who served as the former State Nodal Officer of RUSA and Community College under Directorate of University and Higher Education, Government of Manipur. T.H. Oliver passed away on June 14th last due to BP stroke. He was 63. Rice was distributed to 199 students of LEIMAPOKPAM Government Public School. State Teacher Awardee and Headmistress of the school, L. Manglembi, along with the workers of School Management Committee and teachers, distributed the rice by maintaining physical distancing. Masks with the face of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other political leaders are doing brisk business at a garment store in Madhya Pradesh. According to media reports, those buying masks to protect against COVID-19 infection can also choose from other leaders like Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and his predecessor Kamal Nath. US President Donald Trump will sign an executive order today that will seek to improve how police officers treat African Americans and others by improving credentialing, training and mental health resources, administration officials said. According to media reports, the order comes after Trump has struck a strict law and order tone in his response to protests around the country sparked by the death of African American George Floyd while in police custody in Minneapolis. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) has withdrawn the emergency use of anti-malaria drug hydrochloroquine as a treatment for coronavirus. According to media reports, the FDA said that new evidence from clinical trials meant that it was no longer reasonable to believe that the drug would produce an antiviral effect.